late afternoon. Ito ang ganap namin is our off today. So, rice at saka marunggay. Ang ulam namin. Let's eat.
I want to stay at that one. 98.
Ayan. Ulam tayo ng marunggay. Galing sa likod ng bahay.
Kabukicho.
Ayan guys. Ayan yung asawa ko. Busy sa pag ng flight namin. For vacation. Let's go vacation, Thomas.
Let's go. Yeah, I can't wait. Next week we go.
Next week, yeah. Ayan, excited siya. Excited. Tropical place and same thing, it's a cold place.
What do you mean same thing? What does that mean?
Same was in mainland, you know.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Mm,
That's it for today.
Okay,
Thank you for
let's see.
watching. Bye.
shared microwave.